How's it going, everybody? Martin with Belvoir Auto Spa, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing DIY Detail's new ceramic infused waterless wash. Now, this, people may say, well, this is similar to ceramic gloss. Yes and no. Basically, what makes a waterless wash different, not ceramic, what makes it different from a detail spray or detailer. This has more surfactants in it and polymers in it. I don't know their exact formula, but it's something along those lines to help emulsify and lift all the dirt from the surface so you can safely wash it away. Now, I personally don't recommend doing an entire vehicle with it unless your vehicle is just covered in light dust. This is not necessarily made to replace rinseless washing or using soap and water, because rinseless washing or soap and water, those are your safest methods as long as you follow best practices. This is something good for kind of in-between maintenance, bird bombs, fingerprints, dust, things of that nature. It's safer than using a detail spray. Detail sprays are good for fingerprints and light dust, but mainly what they're really good for is just adding some gloss or topping off your vehicle after you finish cleaning it. So if you look here, it says shake well. Don't use on, basically just saying don't use on a really dirty surface. Clean the vehicle at the top, work your way down, spray liberally, so use a lot of it. Don't be afraid to use it. Lightly wipe, and then repeat the process as necessary. So, the reason I got these other two products is we're going to do a torture test on these eventually. I don't know what the durability of this is. I know the durability of this is really strong. I know this is just okay, but there's also the price differences with them all as well. And you can look at my down in the description of the video, you can see all the discount codes I've got for all these companies. So I'm not biased towards any one of them necessarily. I like them all, and I stand to gain from all of them. You can support the channel by buying any of them. So there's not going to be a bias towards any particular product. But this video isn't going to be too long. There's not really a whole lot to cover with a waterless wash, but we're going to keep it short and sweet. Let's get over to the car, and we'll clean a panel off and just see how it looks. All right, so we're just going to do this little area right here. This vehicle's been through a few rainstorms. This does have DIY's 8-year coating on it as well. So it's gotten pretty dirty though, in all this rain, but I mean, not bad considering how other vehicles look where they just are like completely covered in dust. But it says shake well. So we're going to shake it up nice and well. Should be good. I don't see any ceramic settled on the bottom. And then spray liberally. Make sure you adjust your sprayer so it actually sprays out. When they say liberally, they mean it. So don't be afraid. And this is why I'm not a fan of doing entire vehicles, because this stuff, you end up using a lot of it, you can go through it quickly. And then you simply, now they will say, kind of roll a towel as you go. I'm not using a ton of towels, I'm just doing a small section as a demo, just to show you how this cleans. You can see the dirt there in the towel that picked up. Then we flip to a dry side, and we're going to want to buff it. And this is very slick. Just as slick as ceramic gloss. That's nice to know. And just like that. Nice and clean, nice and slick. Smells really good. Smells like, I don't know, you'd call that blue raspberry or something like that. It's a sweet smell, like most of their products. But you look here where it's dirty. Look over here where it's clean. We'll even show it in the sunlight. Nice and clean, no scratches, as long as you do it right, use the right towels. That's really all there is to it, guys. I mean, you could do your entire vehicle with this, but yeah, that's really nice and smooth. I like that. You could also use this as a drying aid. This could replace ceramic gloss in your inventory. Get both, whatever you want to do, but really nice stuff. Let's get this chrome mirror as well while we're at it. Chrome being metal and not paint, I'm gonna worry about scratching as easily. But yeah, look at that, nice and clean, nice and slick. It's not grabby, wiping off or anything, so pretty nice. I've got no complaints about it, guys. It works great. You can use it on your glass as well. So let's go ahead and show you. Use it on the glass. Hopefully the camera doesn't fall over. Now glass, you're not going to scratch glass. So don't worry about that. Very nice. No streaks, nice and slick. Should repel rain, no problem. There you have it. Probably even do your wheels with it too, but I'm not going to do that because my wheels are absolutely filthy. You know, it takes so much of this stuff. Definitely better off with rinseless. But anyways, let's go in for the final thoughts. All right, so DIY Details Waterless Wash. What can I say? Another great product from Nick and Ivan and the team. They really know what detailers are looking for, being detailers themselves, of course. So, but yeah. So Nick, Ivan, thanks for sending this out. Definitely gets my stamp of approval. I got no qualms about it. It works. So I'll put it up against these others in a torture test, and we'll just see how I do. The torture test is just for fun. I don't expect durability out of a waterless wash. Nobody should, but we're gonna do it anyway, just because people want to know. So we'll see how it holds up. So stay tuned for that video. It'll come out in the future. I'm not going to promise a date because I'm busy throughout the week. So whenever I find time to get these videos in, I usually will record a bunch in one day and then just release them over time. But that's all I got for you guys in this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Give you a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Let me know what your favorite waterless wash product is. Keep in mind, I said waterless, not rinseless. Waterless wash. There's a difference. Stay tuned. We'll do that torture test, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. But that's all I got for you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Keep them clean. Have a good one.